In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a life plan project in Asana from scratch. We'll walk through creating a new project, organizing it into key life areas, adding tasks, setting due dates, and customizing a priority field so you can stay focused on what matters most. Start by opening your browser on your computer and heading to asana.com. Click Log In and sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Projects. This is where all your work in Asana lives. To create something new, click the New Project button, the one with the plus icon. Choose Blank Project so we're starting clean and can tailor everything to our needs. At the top left, give your project a name. Type Life Plan, then click Continue. Next, choose the list layout to keep things straightforward and easy to scan. A list view works well for planning goals across categories. Now let's set up sections to organize your plan. Click Add Section and type Health, then press Enter. Repeat that process for career, finance, and personal growth, pressing Enter after each one. These sections give you a clear framework for your goals and habits. With the structure in place, add your first task under any section by clicking Add Task. Type a goal or task, for example, a specific habit, milestone, or action, and press Enter. Add as many tasks as you need to each section. If you want to refine a task, click on it to open its Details panel. Here, click Due Date and pick a date that keeps you accountable. You can also click Assign if you're sharing the project or if you like to assign tasks to yourself for clarity, but that part is optional. To make your plan even more useful, we'll add a custom priority field. Click Customize in the top right corner, then click Fields. Choose Add Field and select Create New Field. Name it Priority, choose Dropdown as the type, and add 3 options, High, Medium, and Low. Click Create. Now you can tag each task with a priority level, making it easier to scan your list and act on what's most important. Finally, reorder your tasks by dragging them up or down. This is great for visual clarity and helps you focus your day or week. You can reorder within a section or across sections, depending on how you like to work. That's it. You've created a life plan project, organized it into key areas, added tasks with due dates, and built a priority field to sort what matters most. Keep it updated regularly, and this simple structure will support your goals all year long.